So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you my first unboxing video. The first unboxing video I'm doing on YouTube. The first unboxing video of my life. So guys, this is my first unboxing of a cube, piraminx cube. It is a magnetic cube, stickerless. If you want to buy it, the link is in the description. It is a nice packaging. So guys, let's open it and let's see how the cube looks. Wow, this cube looks amazing. So guys, look, this is an amazing stickerless cube. It got 4 colors: pink, green, blue and yellow. The 4 color looks very nice. So guys, see, the tips are so nice, and the body is made of fiber. Got magnet inside. It's so nice. It's working so smoothly. So guys, this is a very nice cube. If you want to purchase it, you can go to description and there's the link. You can buy it from there. It got magnets there. Look. There are 3 magnets at every side. This is an amazing cube. Look guys, a pattern. So guys, how about that we scramble this cube and try to solve it fast, solving under 2 minutes? How about that? So guys, let's scramble it. So guys, the scramble is completed. Now we're going to solve the cube. Such a nice color of this cube. I think I can solve this cube under 2 minutes. Oh yeah, I can solve this cube under 2 minutes. So guys, this is a Cubix app. It is got a cube timer which I use for solving my cubes. So guys, let's start solving. First I'm gonna do the middle edges, then the tips, then the middle edges pieces. So guys, I've solved the cube under 1 minute and 20 seconds. This is so smooth and so finely working with magnets. I can solve so fast under 2 minutes. So guys, this is a wonderful cube. If you want to buy it, go to the description. There's a link and buy it from there. And guys, don't forget to subscribe me and like me. If you're new, then subscribe my channel and please like my videos.